Contains cationic hydration interlink technology. Moisturizes damaged, dry hair and protects it from heat and other irritants. Positively charged silk molecules interlock into hair's natural structure to build strength and resilience and to improve moisture and shine. Silk Infusion. Maintain, repair, protect. Silk Infusion Silk Reconstructing Complex is a rich leave-in treatment enriched with silk, wheat, and soy proteins that will penetrate and help strengthen the hair, providing incredible softness, manageability and shine without build-up. Adds moisture and shine. Leave-in alcohol-free reconstructing treatment. Enriched with pure natural silk, wheat and soy proteins. Protects the hair against thermal styling and the environment. Suitable for all hair types. Product description. Contains 12 fluid ounces Infra treatment, 12 fluid ounces Silk Infusion, and 12 fluid ounces Infra Shampoo, a system for all hair types that allows you to create multiple styles with outstanding style memory, making hair more healthy and manageable. Provides moisture and strength by interlocking the inner structure of the hair, leaves hair healthier, more manageable, with superior shine. Cationic hydration interlink technology protects hair from thermal styling, improves moisture and shine. Brand story. Farouk Systems, Inc. is a Houston-based company of hairdressers for hairdressers, known for manufacturing high-quality professional haircare products under the industry-leading brands, Sun Glitz, Kai and Biosilk. Top reviews from the United States. Works. Glad I purchased my owned, works well. Get you the wanted result without the silk hair price in hair salon.